Scientists recorded the sound of the sun in space, and it's actually terrifying. That eerie whistling sound that you can hear is the sun recorded by NASA's Parker Solar Probe. This insane spacecraft is the fastest thing that humans have ever built. It flies through the sun's atmosphere, measuring solar wind. As the sun blasts this wind of particles out into space at 1,000,000 miles per hour, they get warped by magnetic fields, creating waves in the plasma that the Parker Solar Probe is flying through. Parker's instruments can measure these waves, and scientists can then translate them into sounds. The results are freaky. And do you want to know the craziest part? The atmosphere of the sun that gave us those sounds is somehow hundreds of times hotter than the surface of the sun itself.